The Huawei P30 and P30 Pro have been unveiled. Let's take a quick look at the new flagship phones by Huawei and see what they bring to the smartphone market. Let's start with the design of the smartphones. The P30 series features a new smaller notch and reduced bezels. Battery sizes in both handsets have also been increased. There is now an earpiece-less design on the front screen. The unlock speed on the in-screen fingerprint reader is now 30% faster, too. The P30 has a 6.1-inch screen with a 19.5:9 aspect ratio, whereas the P30 Pro has a 6.47-inch screen with the same 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The P30 Pro is IP68 water and dust resistant. The color finishes on both devices are made from 9 layers of nano-optical color finish material. Handset colors include Breathing Crystal, Amber Sunrise, Pearl White, Aurora, and Black. In terms of photography, the P30 features a super sensing 40-megapixel, Leica triple camera system which includes 40-megapixel main, 16-megapixel wide-angle and 8-megapixel telephoto camera, with AIS and OIS. On the other hand, the P30 Pro features a super sensing 40-megapixel, Leica-made quad camera system, 20-megapixel ultra-wide, 40-megapixel wide-angle and 8-megapixel 5x telephoto. Super sensing systems uses a special red yellow blue sensors instead of RGB. This allows for 40% more light to be absorbed, allowing for brighter, sharper images. Sensitivity in terms of ISO level is also improved, with the P30 boasting an ISO value of 204,800 and the P30 Pro having an ISO level of whopping 409,600. This allows vivid color to be captured and displayed in dark environments, with images that would otherwise be barely visible now being shown clearly. AI HDR Plus is embedded in both phones' camera systems, which deliver machine learning of photo composition and pro color and adjustment capabilities, such as portrait against strong backlights. In terms of telephoto photography, the P30 has a 3x optical zoom, 5x hybrid zoom, and 30x digital zoom capability. The P30 Pro, though, has a periscope telephoto lens, which allows a wide focal range of 16mm to 1343mm. The Pro delivers a 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, and 50x digital zoom. This telephoto lens takes lossless zoom to a new level. The P30 Pro's TOF sensor captures depth information akin to a light-based radar system. This allows for pro bokeh effects. The P30 Pro's ultra-wide-angle lens allows you to shoot the object from as close as 2.5 cm away. Both the P30 and P30 Pro pack 32-megapixel front-facing selfie cameras equipped with AI which supports HDR+. The P30 Pro's DxOMark overall score is 112, which not only beats the Galaxy S10 Plus's score of 109 but places the Huawei P30 Pro as the top-scoring phone. The P30 comes with a 3650 mAh battery, and the P30 Pro comes with a 4200 mAh battery. Both these batteries support super-fast 40-watt supercharged charging, which allows a 70% charge in only 30 minutes. 15-watt wireless and reverse wireless charging is also supported on the P30 Pro. The P30 and P30 Pro will come with EMUI 9.1 out of the box, which delivers enhanced gesture navigation. A 1-second press of the power button will raise an AI assistant like Google Assistant. Huawei Share One Hop is also supported, allowing files to be shared between supportive phones and laptops such as the Huawei MateBook X Pro. The Huawei P30 costs €799. The Huawei P30 Pro starts at €999 for a 128GB unit, rising up to €1,099 for a 256GB unit and €1,249 for the top-spec 512GB model. For more tech coverage, subscribe to the Inventions TV channel, and also press the bell icon to never miss another video. Thanks for watching guys. And we will see you in the next video.